Day 36, week 6, grand project. All right, so the basement shower tile is halfway through. So we use the floor tile to the wall as well because it's wall and floor tile and looks great. So we did that vertical shape formation. And the spackling around the shower is done as well. Over here and over here. And then outside as well. Alright, so the whole house and half of the deck is sanded. It looks great actually. I love it. Now we'll have to work on the other parts and the edges of the floor, and then we have some places where we have to replace the hardwood. So we don't have that much of a light over here, so but once we put all the lights, it's gonna brighten up the space and it looks great actually. So we'll have to send the staircases, and this is the bedroom number 1, and this is bedroom number 2, and this is bedroom number 3. So we have this spot we'll have to replace. It's got a termite damage, but it was remediated. Everything is good. We just have to replace it. We have some water damage due to the slate tile broken in the roof, so we replaced that. Now we'll have to switch out the lights and spackle the ceiling. And same thing with some of the spots of the walls. And we're gonna be painting the whole door and trims and the window trims as well. Day 37, week 6, grand project. So got a water damage over here. Now working on remediation. And we got a tool from Home Depot rental to work on the edges of the hardwood. So we got that edger. And I actually use my Pro Extra coupons for rentals. So good thing about using Home Depot application with your account is that you accumulate rewards based on your purchases and purchase volume. And once you got enough for the coupons, either you can get for the purchase or the total rental. So if you get it for total rental, it's actually a lot more value than for the purchases. Same thing around the house. Have to work on the edge. Also, he's stripping down the damaged ceiling spackles and paints. Same thing here. All right, so the tile is almost done. So it looks great actually. Day 38, week 6, grand project.
Daddy?
We did a lot of returns from James project to Amazon and Home Depot. And we forgot to open the return on some of the items we purchased from Amazon, so we missed the return window. And from Home Depot, we can return it up until 1 year, I believe, because we have a pro account. And the returns came up to, I believe, close to $1,000, so it's a lot of money. And James project is on hold until we finish the gram, and then the contractor would switch from gram to James, and the cottage lane is on the way. We're gonna be closing next week, hopefully, inshallah. Day 39, week 6, grand project. Alrighty, so the bathroom tile is done. It looks great, actually. Love it. Love this layout. Everything looks good. Love the color combo. So we're gonna have to put the threshold over here. Shower head, handle, niche, got it out, and then put the floor tile, spackle, and then paint the inside of the shower, cover this place up. Got bathtub from Home Depot, and then we got some tiles and threshold. I bought a wrong one because it's not be leveled, so this place is level and then this place is sharp, so we need the smooth edge ones. All right, so the countertop is installed today. It looks great, actually. It's Calcutta, Pandora, Satori. Looks great. We actually used it for the previous project, the Pine Frost project, but we used it with the backsplash, same. So it's backling work, patching is in progress. Have to change out all the lights. Still thinking about what light where it goes. Also the location of the outlets and switch. I like the outlet. So we're gonna have 16-inch backsplash once it's installed, and then put up the wall cabinets, change out all the lights, put the fillers, and it's gonna look great over here. And sanding around the edges is done. We rented the edger from Home Depot, so everything looks great now. Have to change out some of the damaged hardwood places, change out the receptacles and then air vents. So this is old one versus the new ones. Looks great, actually. Love it. Day 40 and 41, week 6, grand project. We have a lot of updates inside, and we have tons of purchases from Home Depot, especially in paint department. So there are some things we have to fix, rectify with kitchen cabinets. They sent the wrong one, so we'll have to get a replacement. It's on the way, so we'll have to figure out about the payment, but because it didn't go through, they didn't create a PO for that, and all that other stuff they'll have to follow up. All right, so the paint of the deck would look like this. This is a wrought iron that we use for our James project, so it looks cool. I like how it turned out. So it'll look like a black when it's dark in shadow, and it'll look like a grayish when it's in light. So the whole thing would look like this. I like the posts, how they turned out. All right, so we're gonna paint second coat later on today. We have a beautiful weather today, so we'll have to finish it up before it gets colder and then rainy. So this is how it looks like from the side. I love it. Love the color. I don't like this chocolate color. I actually like this one better. All right, so 6-inch threshold looks a lot bigger. So yeah, I actually don't like this. I prefer 4-inch, so I'm not sure why the previous contractor did it for 6-inch. So instead we could have just done the 4-inch. This one looks too big. Yeah. It's gonna be a pain to clean the underneath of the threshold, so, and it looks a little ugly. But I have choice now, so that's, I think, fine. I'm gonna do 2 drywalls in and out because the old one is double like this. You see here, the behind one is the drywall, and the face one is I forgot the name of it, to be honest with you right now. All right, it's just a clear, and it's a satin clear. All right, getting tons of paint from the depot. Got about 30 gallons for this project and the next project. All right, so we've got a bunch of paint for grand project and cottage project that's coming up soon. So the total was about, I believe, what, 1600, and we got it for 1,050 plus tax. I forgot to deduct the tax. Day 42, week 6, the last day. Grand project. Alright, so the deck paint is ready. Looks good. I'll take better pictures and videos tomorrow. So put the drywalls and everything here. We'll have to put the plastic edges. So the thermostat will stay over here. Switch light for the left. And this light is for here. So the first coat of paint, primer, looks good. Alright, so clear coat is done.